Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. In this video, I am going to talk about how we can put all the majors into the table named major table and how to put some of the fields that they are related to each other inside a folder to make our field and majors more arranged and organized. So let's start. I have here the financial data which is a default data set in the Power BI. Right, here you can see I have created some majors here, country major, then here I have created the product major. Right, now I want to create a new table that is actually help me to organize all my majors. So to do that, I need to go to this table, and here in the table tools, I will create a new table. Okay, I will give the table name as a major table. And I want this table to be located at top of my list. Right, so for doing that, what I will do, I will create here one space, then I will put here the bracket, then space, then here again a bracket. Now because of this, what will happen, it will take this major to the top of the alphabetical order. Right, in the here you can see all are in alphabetical order. So if you want a major to be at the top so that everyone can see it, you have to create this space so that it will come at the top. Now here I will put a one function like blank. Okay, and I will put this in curly bracket. That's it, and hit enter. Here now you can see here the major table is created. Here you can see the icon. Here we have a two icon, one is table icon and one is major icon. So table is created which is a major table, and here we can put our majors. So if you want to put a majors, you can click this more option, three dots, and you can create a new major. And if you want to put your majors in this table, for that what you have to do, you can't do here, you have to go to the modeling here, and after that you have to just drag and drop your majors into that major table. So I will take this first major as a country major, I will drag here and drop here. Okay, and again the product major I will take here and I will drop here. So likewise you can drag and drop your majors here, and now here you can see in the major table your majors are there. Okay, so you can do like this. So there are two ways. First way is in the data view, report view, you have to just click this drop down, and here you can create a new major. And second method is here in the model view, you have to go and you have to drag and drop your majors in that major table. So this is how we can create a major table. This is actually a good approach to help you to kind of organize your majors that you have over here. Now another thing that actually can be really interesting is about creating a folder. A good thing about creating a folder is when you have a lot of data to see, and sometimes it's better that all of them should be in one folder, one common folder. So let's see how we can create a folder. Suppose I want to create a one folder for some column. Suppose you can see here we have a column like month name, month number and year. Okay, so I want these three columns to be in one folder. Okay, so that whenever I am doing a calculation related to time, I can use that folder. I can easily see that. So for creating a folder, what you have to do, here in the report view you can't create a folder. So again for that you have to go to the model view here, and here you have to select that column. So I have selected that column, and here in the properties, in the general, you can see here the display folder. You have to give the name of a folder. Suppose I have given the name as a time. Okay, and hit enter. Now here you can see the time folder is created here. Right, now again I want to put another column here. suppose I want to put month number. So again I will select this, okay, and you have to give the same name, otherwise the second folder will get created. So same spelling you have to put, same name you have to put. I have created again the same name, time, and I will hit enter. Same I will do for the year. I will select it and I will give the name as a time. Hit enter. Now here in the folder you can see the time folder is been created here, right? If you don't, and here you can see all the 3 columns are there in that folder. So here this is how you can create a folder. Now if I want to remove some columns from it, by mistake I have created this column here in this folder. So for removing, what you have to do, you have to just create, suppose I will take this segmenter and I will put in this time folder, okay. I will hit enter. Now you can see here the segment column is there in this time, and by mistake I have done this, so I want to remove it. So for that, again what you do, you have to select that column here, and in the display folder you have to just delete this and hit enter. Now you can see segment is outside that folder, right? So this is how you can add the columns and you can remove the columns from the folder, and you can create a folder in this model view by going in this properties, and you have to write the name of this folder, and the name should be same for all the column, otherwise second folder will get created. So this is how you can organize your data by creating the major table and the folders. Hope you understood how to create it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.